Hey guys, Sunny here. It's December 18th, Friday morning. We're trading natural gas. Since yesterday's drop, natural gas has been like pretty bullish and it's just, going up and up and up. 20-day chart seems to be overbought. 100-day chart has been overbought for a while now. It's a couple of weeks ago, it just doesn't make sense that the prices so will be this high in this region. um, yeah I'm thinking that it's like a final push maybe for the prices to go up, but according to 180-day chart, the downtrend, uh, the 180-day chart is already indicating downtrend, so it might go up some. Let me just pull up this 180-day chart here. So yeah, you can see this green SMA line. Like a bunch of times it tried to approach this SMA line and then dropped. So it's at that same situation right now. It might go up some, and then it's already on the high side. So I'm most likely, from here I'm thinking it's definitely going down. So I'm holding on to my position of 1190 shares. I didn't see much opportunity this morning to trade. Like even though there was signals of overbought for natural gas, it just still kept going up. So I'm just watching for now. And this is like here a double top, which is a classic signal of prices turning around. So I'm thinking from here prices will mostly go down. I mean, I could be wrong. Like uh, last week and early this week, natural gas has been bullish against the expectations. Yeah, there was like a winter storm, but the winter storm was like mild. It lasted hours, not even days. And the weather is expected to warm up again. So I mean, I just don't understand this frenzy about natural gas prices. So let's see what happens throughout the day, and let's see if we can find any opportunity to trade. And I'm trading the downside, so I'm invested in KOLD. All right, 5-minute chart. Yeah, 5-minute chart is indicating price turning around, and the 5-minute chart is still above the EMA line. So we have to see, if it continues to stay above or drops below that. Just pull up the 5-minute chart here. As you can see, since market open at 9 a.m., it's been like mostly above the EMA line. Once it dropped below and then bounced off of the VWAP line, middle VWAP line. Even now it seems to be bouncing back, but you can see that this MACD has made a lower high than before, so that sort of indicating prices might turn around. I'm like, if natural gas is bullish, it could still go up. It could go sideways while the MACD goes down, and then it will pick back up. But as of now, it looks like the prices might turn around. Like from yesterday's last week, when natural gas shot up, I was pretty sure that it was just because of the natural gas report, and after that the downward trend would continue. But that seemed to have seems to be a catalyst for the natural gas prices to keep going higher. And then over the last weekend, even though we had additional rigs coming online, indicating higher natural gas production, but due to weather patterns changing, the natural gas price has kept up. That was like Yeah, totally out of blue for me. I didn't absolutely expect that. But it's at again at that those high levels. You know, um, so for example, yesterday's high was around 2.725. So we are at that around that same price area. We are at like 2.71, and it might go up a little. Maybe up to 2.72, but from there most likely it will come down. I'm like 2.72 is still high, given the amount of gas we have in storage. It's still a high, the prices are still on the high side, and given that like February is the coldest month, um, there could be more buying more natural gas futures for February, but still like given the amount of gas we have, it's still high. So I'm holding on to my 1190 shares. Yesterday, right after the report, I had the opportunity to sell it, but I didn't expect expect the prices to rebound like this. Yesterday when the prices were going up, I was thinking, okay, I just like the rebound effect, and towards the end of the day, prices did kind of started to fall down, but after market open yesterday at 6 p.m., yeah, natural gas has been bullish. Just went sideways, and then early morning it went up, and then like after around 6:37, it was looking like it was coming down, but it bounced off this green SMA line. So let's see. Yeah, it's at the resistance level and also at the upper price channel. I'm just looking at the natural gas futures itself, which switches month over month. Um, yeah, I mean like on 180 day chart already approached the green SMA line. Let me show it to you here. This is for slash NG, which is still tracking January's January's deliveries. So yeah, I mean it's already at the green SMA line. So 180 day simple moving average. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, like there is a price resistance here. So um, that's another indicate. That's another reason I'm thinking that the prices will go down from here. It might like jump up a little bit, you know. And today around, like, they usually release the report between 1 and 1:30. There is no set time, and there are like multiple sources releasing this report at multiple times. This is the rig count report for the week. So if more rigs come online, uh, that's like bearish for natural gas. Yeah, but still showing signs of bullishness, and like it's just bouncing off of the EMA line. I mean, these could be the like last of the buyers for natural gas futures. Yeah, for near term, like both 1 minute chart and 5 minute chart are indicating overbought positions, overbought conditions. Yeah, to me it's just baffling that the prices will be this high, but that's what it is. and 5 minute chart is still keeping up above the EMA line. So that's a sign of bullishness. It's already at very near this week's high. So that's something to be taken into consideration, that the prices has bounced off 2.7 level like multiple times, 2.7, 7.1. On 5 minute chart is still at the EMA line, so yeah, it's like a crucial point, whether it will bounce off from here or continue going down. The MACD, at least the EMA line on 5 minute chart is like now going sideways, pointing sideways. So that's a good sign that prices will fall. And then it just broke below this trend line, the ascending trend line. So that's a good sign. Yeah, since market open, it's up about 1%. So yeah, that's a surprise. And yesterday I was like tracking it at like 1:15 p.m., 1 a.m., 1:15 a.m. And yeah, it showed signs of turning back down. Also, it's holiday season, so the prices, the volume isn't much. So like if for like only like a few people, if they try to buy, they can like push the prices higher. It doesn't take much effort to like control the prices. Alright, it's nearing the lower price channel. So let's see if it continues to go down or it will turn around. That's a big drop. So now on 1 minute chart, like you can see, price has bounced off multiple times from this green SMA line, and we also have the VWAP line here. All right, yeah, we reached the VWAP. Yeah, like prices dropped down quite a bit in like small amount of time, so there might be some rebound effect. Yeah, all morning it's been above the VWAP, so yeah, we are at the same situation right now. All right, let's see, if there's a change in the trend. It's been like keeping up above the EMA line, so let's see if it now stays below the EMA line. Okay, it looks like it's bouncing down. Yeah, that's made multiple attempts, to go above the EMA line. Once again, it's like a mid morning, so the movements have slowed down. Looks like it went above the EMA. And then we have this diagonal support slash resistance line. MACD is like trying to turn around on the 1 minute chart. And 5 minute chart is still downtrending. So it looks like it might go up some and then come down. Yeah, it was interesting that it went above this EMA line, but it didn't go much higher than that. It bounced a couple of times, but then came back down. Yeah, I mean these are the kinds of movement that throw off your analysis. But that's the reason we look at multiple time frames. Even though 1 minute chart was showing that it will go back up, MACD was low and it even it had even crossed over, but the 5 minute chart was still indicating a downtrend. I, the movements are a bit unusual, and I think that's due to low volume. For around this time of the year, like maybe a lot of traders are off, volume is low. Like small amounts of volume are causing big changes in price, and like mostly erratic changes. Like it's very unusual, to have prices like jumping about the EMA line like it just did here. Like for a moment it was up, another moment was down, and then up, and then back down again. Like when the volume is low, the best thing to do is like go by the larger time frames. So 20-day 1 hour, we see that the prices are in the overbought area. Same thing with 180-day 4 hour chart. And like there's good indication on 180-day 4 hour chart that the prices will continue to fall. Let me pull up the 180-day chart here. You can even see that the MACD is making lower highs, indicating prices to continue to fall. So I still feel comfortable staying on the bearish side, and being invested in KOLD. It's still keeping below this EMA line. Yeah, it could be interesting to see if it goes below the VWAP line. The charts are indicating downtrend, but the momentum still seems to be upwards. Like when it dropped like this a few minutes ago, I was thinking that I was just gaining downward momentum, but it just bounced back off of the VWAP line as it's been doing all day. Yeah, I'll wait for the rig count report at around 1:30 between that time, and see what happens. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get going. I will update my trade situation in the evening around 5 p.m. We have like a rig count report, so if there's like significant changes, might just come back online during around like 1:30 2 p.m. and we'll continue from there. All right, take care, everyone. Bye for now. Good luck trading today. Bye.